Name that sound. Listen carefully to the sound and say your answer out loud. Ready?
What's that sound? A dog. What's that sound? A police car. What's that sound? A phone. What's that sound? A bird. What's that sound? A car. What's that sound? A cow. What's that sound? A vacuum cleaner. What's that sound? A whistle. What's that sound? A doorbell. What's that sound? A baby crying. What's that sound? A helicopter. What's that sound? A frog. Great job! Like and subscribe to our channel. Visit itstotallytherapy.com for more ideas.